If you're interested in upgrading to a paid plan on Framer, make sure to use the link in the description. You can also enter the promo code PARTNER25PRO yearly to get 25% off and enjoy 3 months for free. So, if you're looking to enhance your Framer experience, take advantage of that offer. To add animation on text in Framer, start by selecting the text. On the right side, you'll see the editor. Look for the effect. Click that button and you will see here the set animation. Select that and that's it. You can customize your animation for your text. Once you're done, just click the play button and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.